exfoliating. Yep, you just got it first too. Okay, for those of us who are just joining us, we are starting the Hydrafacial Treatment. Can you tell us a little bit, Elizabeth, about the benefits of a Hydrafacial?
Absolutely. So the benefits of a Hydrafacial is the super extractions, or I should say deep extractions, deep exfoliation, and deep hydration. Mm-hmm. This will leave the skin looking soft, bright, and also rejuvenating. So it's a great resurfacing for the skin, no downtime, and it's painless.
Okay. So can you tell us a little bit about how the Hydrafacial kind of breaks up the dirt underneath, and how the whole pulling all the dirt and gunk out, how that happens?
So the pulling of all the wonderful debris of the skin is the vacuum suction, which we call vortex fusion, which is only patented by Hydrafacial. And the super serums offered with the Hydrafacial allow the debris or the sebum to soften and make the extractions painless.
So for those of you who hate extractions, this would be the treatment to go for.
And Hydrafacial can be personalized to any client's needs. So also, with that being said, vacuum suction, we personalize it to the client. So whether they have normal skin, fair skin, we can lower the vacuum, we can increase the vacuum for optimal results. Mm-hmm. Okay, so I've cleansed her skin, so I'm ready for the first step, and I've already prepared all my tips. So I'm just gonna go in. We are doing today a signature Hydrafacial. And this is a 3-step facial, which consists of the cleanse and exfoliation, and then the acid peel, and then extractions with our beta HD, and then hydration with our hyaluronic acid.
Mm-hmm. Now, do you mind letting us know, Elizabeth, what is it that sets the Hydrafacial apart for so many other treatments on the market right now?
So once again, the vortex fusion that the Hydrafacial offers, and the super serums that are included with the facial. So it being a hydrodermabrasion, so we are creating that vacuum suction, pulling out the debris with no downtime, no pain, but including or infusing optimal hydration to the skin.
So this would be a great time of year to come and get your Hydrafacials, ladies and gentlemen, just because a lot of us are coming out of like those winter months. We're dehydrated, and dehydration is one of those conditions that we find is most prominent with a lot of our clients. So a good way to kind of get all of those breakouts taken care of, all of that built up dirt and sebum underneath your pores, and also getting hydration during your treatment. This would be the exact treatment for you.
So I'm just going to start off by infusing the first serum, which contains lactic acid and glucosamine. So it's a great exfoliator, plus it's going to soften the skin and make it easy to dislodge any impurities. So the client will have a pink tone to their skin, which is very normal. That is circulation being brought to the surface with the vacuum suction.
Mm-hmm.
So when we say no downtime, this is what we mean. But then you can also customize it accordingly to your client's skin. So whether the vacuum suction needs to be lower or higher, you can do so.
For those of you who are just joining us, we are watching the Hydrafacial treatment right now. For those of you who hate extractions, this is that treatment. It's a painless way to get all of that dirt and gunk underneath it's been sitting there for a while, how to pull it all out and hydrate your skin at the same time. If you are interested in this treatment, we are booking at 20% off the Hydrafacial treatment along with all of our treatments today. So definitely call us. Yes, you do need to try this. Everybody needs to try this. You'd be surprised at how much gunk comes up in the gunk jar. But yes, if you are interested in this treatment, feel free to give us a call today. We're booking at 20% off.
You can already start to see the difference in her skin. And as we continue, you'll see a really subtle glow.
So in order to get that 20% off, you can't book online. You would have to call us today. You'd have to buy it. You would have to buy it today, and then we can book it for a later date. So make sure you guys are calling, prepaying for the treatment, and then you can definitely qualify for that 25% off. Sorry, not qualify. You will get the 20% off. And if you do spend $200 today, you will be automatically entered into the raffle prize of your choice, which means there's a chance you will win. You could win a free Hydrafacial as well. That's one of our giveaways.
Okay, that concludes step number 1. So we're going to move on now to our acid peel. So for today, I'm going to be using the 7.5 glycolic and the 2% salicylic. We do have 2 other peels. One is a 15 and the other one is a 30. So depending on what your client's needs are, you can elevate the peel. But because this is her first time Hydrafacial, we're going to just go conservative and go with the 7.5.
Now, what does the downtime generally look like for a Hydrafacial?
So technically there is no downtime. Are you asking about results like within 24 hours, or are you asking about redness?
Redness,
Yes.
and you said
so
yeah.
No redness. No, typically on someone that has fair skin, I always say probably about an hour and a half or so for redness to calm down, just because they may be, I'm sorry, I'm asking some, they may be a little bit more reactive to the treatment.
Mm-hmm. So this would be a great treatment to get for an event or a function coming up because the downtime is so little.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
yes.
Yes, if you want to book one again, make sure you call in today, prepay for your treatments, get them at 20% off. It's only today.
Absolutely a must before a function. Your makeup will go on phenomenal. So you don't have to worry about any kind of peeling.
And for those of us who are just joining us, if you have any questions, comments, concern, you can definitely put them in the comment section. We might as well ask Elizabeth while she's here. She's here directly from Hydrafacial, so now would be the time to ask all your questions. So when we're speaking about targeted treatments, how would you do target treatment with the Hydrafacial for specific skin conditions?
So for specific skin conditions, we do offer a wide range of specialty vials, which we call our boosters. So anywhere from pigmentation concerns to fine line and wrinkles to rosacea and acne, we have a booster for that selected client. And of course, when targeting skin concerns, it is beneficial to come at least once a month with that specific booster. Tingle.
Again, this is a very gentle treatment in terms of extraction. So if you do particularly hate extractions, this is the treatment for you.
Okay, so our peel needs to sit for at least 1 to 2 minutes. And then comes to the fun part, extractions.
My favorite part.
So we're going to be extracting with some more salicylic acid, also some Tasmanian pepper extract as well. So this is a slower process to just grab all the skin debris, any blackheads, any whiteheads, making it painless.
No problem. We can definitely book you in for the 26th or the 27th. We just need you to give Thania a call. Give us a call. We would have to book it over the phone in order for you to get that 20% off today. So again, just give Thania a call and she will get all of that set up for you. And also, because the Hydrafacial is an over a $200 treatment, you'd also automatically be entered into our raffle draw today. So definitely give her a call, get that all set up for you, and just let her know what raffle prize you'd like to enter into as well. You can kind of see all the gunk even just like going up. Yeah.
So I'm going to extract a little bit here.
Okay. And for those of you who need the phone number, I'm putting it in the comment section here so you can give us a call. Okay, so the phone number once again, 647-330-6044. So call us today at that phone number, receive 20% off, and get entered into our raffle draw as well. And if you have any questions about, oh no, you forgot, that's okay. That's okay. You can always just call in. We can set your products aside, get you checked out over the phone. That way you still get your 20%. It's not a problem. But if you had any questions at all about the Hydrafacial, now would be the time to get all your questions answered. Any skin concerns, anything like that, feel free to ask your questions. Now this is especially great for the nose area because everyone has those very hard to reach kind of blackheads. Yes, and your skin looked great after yours that day. Now, for just a closer look, you can kind of see nose is absolutely cleared up. Just one treatment.
So we just need to neutralize after the peel. And just wipe her down with some gauze and water.
Mm-hmm. And for those of you who are just joining us, we are watching the Hydrafacial treatment right now. This is a great treatment for before events, anything like that, and a great way to get underneath the skin. And get all of that dirt pulled out of your skin. And we are booking this treatment today at 20% off, so definitely give us a call, book your treatments in now.
Infusion of hyaluronic acid, peptides, and antioxidants. So this is going to leave her skin super hydrated with that beautiful glow.
Okay, we have a question. Is this service great for mature or dry skin?
Absolutely. Any skin type can have a Hydrafacial. So going back to mature and dry skin, we also have a specialty vial for that. If you are suffering from dry skin all year round or even just the winter time, we have a booster by Dr. Nassif, which is Hydroglucan, and it is super hydrating and also firming. And for mature skin, we have our growth factor booster as well. That'll help restore the skin's elasticity and also help with fine lines and wrinkles. has right now. So this is just going to seep into her skin and leave her with the glow and the dewy finish. That is our last step. And then the best part of the facial is our gunk jar, which needs a flashlight. Let's see if I have one here. All right, so if we put the light towards it, our model doesn't have too bad of debris coming out, but you can see some floaties in there.
So you would never get that out in a regular facial or extraction.
That's correct.
Okay. Any questions from anybody? Let's just take
There
a
she
closer
is,
look
yeah.
here. That's amazing. Yeah, especially those hard to reach blackheads on the nose, like they're absolutely gone. That's amazing.
And of course, with the Hydrafacial, if you do feel that there are more blackheads that you would like to release, you can always do manual extractions in between the neutralization and then your next step. So by all means, you can customize it how you wish, but the extractions with the device gets it nice and clean.
Okay. Now, for clients that are dealing with, for the newer people that are joining us, sorry to be repetitive, if you were dealing with issues like sensitive skin or with hyperpigmentation, how would the Hydrafacial kind of address those issues?
So it will address, well, with the peel and our super serums, it is going to address those concerns as well as our boosters that we can apply for the targeted areas of pigmentation or whatnot, acne, sensitivity, and also anti-aging.
Okay, awesome. So for all of you who are just joining us, that was our Hydrafacial. And if you would like to book the Hydrafacial, we are taking bookings right now. Give us a call, book in your treatments. They're 20% off today and today only. So definitely give us a call, pre-book your appointments, prepay for your appointments, and you can definitely get that at 20% off. Any questions about the Hydrafacial from anybody? No? Awesome. Okay. Doesn't look as further. And that's kind of what the results look like. Okay. So in half an hour, for those of you who are just joining us, in half an hour we will be starting our jet peel treatment. So definitely come back on our live and join us for the jet peel treatment. All right, bye guys. And call in, book your appointments, 20% off.